y'all, it's Carolsue and welcome back to my shop. Okay, today's going to be a different video. I've done them. I've already made my Easter Peeps, so I want to do a little bit different and show y'all what I got. That way y'all can watch it. Okay. Woohoo. Okay, we got our Easter candy corn. I was like, what is this? These are my Easter Peeps from 2012. This is the original. I had to give them a repaint job on the front because, and don't glob the Mod Podge. But I had to repaint them because of the storms and stuff. So this one and this one, these are 24 and 25 inches tall. And they're made out of the foam. Like I said. And this is a PVC pipe for what the metal could go into the ground. But, and you got chewed on. You take a bite out of your chocolate bunny. But these are from 2012. Outside the whole, every Easter. So these I made for inside. And I wasn't thinking, I went ahead and made me another set. This is more of a dark chocolate. This is more milk chocolate. And so I made them. I just put one coat on the back. I just freehanded them. See, I made them a little different. Freehanded them and then cut them out of styrofoam. And in this video, y'all will see how I do this. Also did the Sugar Peeps. And yeah, I'm probably rich. The glitter all over me. I made 4 of these. I made those this year. This is what I made this year. Yeah, my desk is full of glitter. And I got some stand-up Sugar Peeps that I made. I like the chocolate eyes instead of using the black eyes. The ones that's outside is all got black eyes. These I didn't do the back because I'm out of time. They need to get put up. So I made 5 of these. 4 of the yellow ones. Ooh. Like I said, I'll give them a real good, like that, and I'll do this. Get all of it off loose before I take them in the house. So yeah, I'm going to post a video now of me making these. Hey y'all, I'm back. Okay, this is the Peep that I originally made. This is Gorilla Glue that's expandable, PVC pipe, because they go outside. So this one have to be touched up this year. But I cut these out of 2-inch foam board. And I had to make new ones this year for inside, so I turned them the opposite direction. Got a different color yellow too from back then to now. So I didn't show you how I did these, but I'm going to attach to this video. I gotta make some more. I'll make some little peeps and then some chicks. Okay y'all, sorry. So what I usually do is when I got the last coat of paint, I will put my glitter on there to make it look like the sugar glitter. So I only got the gloss, so I don't have mattes. I've never done it matte, gloss. So I'm just going to put it on. And I usually do this on a pizza pan, but these are way too big for pizza pan. And I already know I did it wrong. I'm supposed to do the edges first. It's okay. I'll just get sticky fingers. Oh, don't you love it? My other Peeps. So I don't even remember the glitter that I used back then. And my brother gave me a whole stack of these foam boards back in 2010, and I'm still using them from that. So I never had to buy them or anything like that. Hey, Wine. So the Mod Podge will dry clear, and then you'll see just the glitter, and it will look like sugar, like this. Hey, my Wine. Mama yelled for you. Did you hear me? What? Did you hear Mama yell for you? Did you, baby girl? assembly line going on here. Ooh. My hand is kind of cramping though. Okay, I hope you liked my video, and if you did, please think about subscribing because I have so much more to show y'all. So thank y'all, God bless you, and I'll see y'all again Tuesday. Bye!